Hello everyone and welcome again in a new video tutorial. Today guys I'm going to show you how you can disallow a device from accessing internet. For example, your son or your brother, he want to access to your internet, you don't want to allow that, so you can deny or you can disallow him from accessing internet by just changing the settings of your router. So first connect to your router internet, and then you can just go under your router. You will find an address which will look like this. It's always written under the router in, or sometimes even in a document provided with it, and it looks to something like this. And then you have to press enter in any browser. We'll be prompted to log in into our router, so we'll click login. Here, if it's the first time accessing your router, you have to put your admin username, and usually the password it's admin. If you have changed it, then you will have to put the password which you put or which you changed to. So I will enter mine. As you can see, now I have logout option. So basically we are connected to our router, or we are logged in to our, so we will just click connection settings, and we will go to security, to LAN, and we'll go to LAN MAC filters. And here we will have to select deny. So basically when you select deny and you put any MAC address, for example, this is my little brother phone MAC address. Um, so I will disallow him from accessing internet. So as soon as we click apply, then the device will be prohibited from accessing to internet. Even if he tried to connect it, he will be refused. So let's try another one. So now that it's success, I will click apply. So this MAC address, if it's a phone or a computer or a tablet, when it will try to connect to my router or to connect to my internet, they wouldn't be able. And this is how you can deny access to your internet. So I hope this video was useful to you guys. If you still need help or assistance, you can always contact us. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.